All right, here we are at day 17 of me making live cold calls for my social media marketing agency. Right now, it is currently 5:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, so I'm not going to be able to call anybody in the East Coast. So today, we're going to be calling people in Portland, Oregon. So, also, if you're interested and you're watching this, please smash that thumbs up button if you enjoy this type of content. You enjoy seeing me as I continue to build my agency. And also, if you're interested in Shopify dropshipping or affiliate marketing, I'll be posting two videos later about what to sell for the month of February, just in case you were interested. You know, I'm a jack of all trades, master of plenty, right? So, um, just want to throw that out there in case you was interested in my content. But without further ado, pick up the phone.
Hello.
Hello, yes, is this the correct number for the mobile mechanic?
Yes, sir. How can I help?
Hey, how you doing? My name's Bernard. I came across your ad on Craigslist. I had a real quick question for you.
Yeah, go for it.
Yeah, I want to know, are you interested in an extra 5 to 10 jobs per week for your business?
I would be. It depends on what they are.
Well, tell me this. Besides Craigslist, what are you doing now to attract jobs?
It's Craigslist, word of mouth right now, family, friends, stuff like that.
Okay,
Not
so
too bad.
so here's what I do. So I run Facebook ads for all of my clients. I have my own agency. We go by the name of Millennial Media. And what I'm able to do is use the pictures that you have on Craigslist ad on your sorry, I keep biting my tongue. On your Craigslist ad, and I'm able to run that in front of everyone in Portland or different areas because it seems that you spread out. You do Hillsborough, Portland, and Salem. Is that correct?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, and I'll be able to generate you customers within your area. Therefore, like I said, acquire you extra jobs and extra income in your pocket.
Okay. And then, so what's in it for you?
So what's in it for me is, since I see here that you're charging about $50 an hour, I just charge like a minimum of, let's say, 10 through 15% of what you're charging, and then you just pay me that for every customer that I refer to you. Fair enough?
Okay. Yeah. So I love what you're doing. I love what you're doing. It's not necessarily for me. I really like running my own ship. It's nice doing everything by myself.
Let me ask you
Um,
this, since you're interested in running your own, would you be interested in me working with you to teach you how to run Facebook ads on behalf of your business? Because that's something that I also offer, right? Instead of you, depending on
okay.
Craigslist or word of mouth, what if you could go behind the scenes on your computer and actually learn how to run Facebook ads?
There you go. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So I would be interested in that. What would that look like?
So to do that, first we need a Facebook profile, which I'm sure you have, and from there
Yep.
we would just have to create an ads manager. Now, what an ads manager is let me ask you this: do you have a page for your mobile mechanic on Facebook?
I do not.
Okay, so we will have to create a page about your services, and then from there, I will work with you on depending on your schedule, we could do weekly, bi-weekly basis, and I can show you all the different types of creatives we can use together to get you the type of conversions that you want, right? Because when I run ads for my clients, I'm able to get them customers anywhere between $15 through $60. But since you're offering a mid-ticket service, we can probably get you customers for about, I say about $20, $30. But like I said, I want to work with you in this process, so you're not going to be alone.
Right on. Okay. I am interested. This isn't something I'd want to do today, but I'm gonna write your number down right now.
Oh, that's fair enough. Yeah, we don't have to do anything today. What's a good email for you though, so I can send you over some more information, and then we can touch base later in the week, and we'll find out what works best for both of our schedules. We can get you up and going on
Yeah.
Facebook.
Yeah. So that my email would be Subaru Tech Mech. Just Subaru, and then Tech TEC, and
TEC.
then Mech is MEC.
Okay. Is that at Gmail?
Yep.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, we can definitely do that. Like I said, I'm interested in working with you. Teaching you how to do Facebook ads. Because once you figure out what works with you, because every ad account is different, It's just gonna become a matter of rinse and repeat, and you'll just get to the point. You'll know that if I put in X amount of money, I'm gonna double, if not triple, my return on investment. So it's gonna be very beneficial for you for the long term moving forward.
Okay. Yeah, I like what we got going. Thanks for the call.
Hey, I appreciate it, man. I didn't get a chance to catch your name. I just wanted to get your name so I could save you on my phone.
Yeah, Levi. How about you?
Levi, I like that name. My name's Bernard.
Can you spell that for me?
Yeah, B like in boy, E as in elephant, R as in rugrat, N as in ninja, A as in apple, R as in rugrat, and D as in dog.
Bernard.
Yep.
Awesome. Great. All right. Do you take texts on this number?
Yeah, you can text me at this number, Levi. That's fine.
Right on. Sounds good. I guess we'll be talking later then.
That sounds good to me, Levi. Would you like to touch base? I mean, I'm gonna text you, of course, but would you like to touch base, like as far as creating your Facebook page on Friday around this time? Would that work for you?
Yeah, that works.
Okay, yeah, let's set that up then. So around Friday, it's 2 o'clock your time where you at right now. So yeah, we can do that then.
All right.
All right, sounds good, Levi. Appreciate talking with you. Talk to you soon.
Yeah, take it easy, brother.
Boom. Like that. Right? So at first he was like, he wasn't interested because he the type of person like doing himself. So right there I noticed, I said, boom, I already know what I'm about to hit him with. How about I teach you how to run Facebook ads? He was like, okay, now you got me. Which, I don't mind. And also, if while you're watching this video, if you want to learn how to run Facebook ads, click the link in the description. There's also pinned below in the comment section. Submit I'm telling you now, it's $250 to work with me minimum. I didn't tell him that, but I'll tell him that he's going to have to invest the ad spend. And like I said, for every customer that I generate him, he's going to pay me a percentage of that. But as far as it goes for you, submit the $250, make that payment, and then email me. I'll leave my email in the description as well. And once you've done that, we can set up a time frame, and I'll help you set up your ad account. As you see, he did not have a Facebook page, and we can go from there. I'm looking to help people as much as I can. I definitely love building my network of a community, and I'm just happy to help people on the internet. That brings me true joy, true happiness, really helping people. So I'm gonna write this down. So we got a yes. We did get a yes. Mechanic. If I didn't make it clear, he was a mobile mechanic in Oregon, right? Because I told you it's actually, I'm going to save him as a warm client because we're actually going to have another follow-up later this week. I think I said Friday, so I'm going to save him as a warm client. But yeah, so I'm going to definitely help him with his business. I'm going to screenshot that because, like I said, I be cold calling so many people, sometimes forget what they had to offer me. But I've been rambling for long enough. Let's make call number 2. So we have another mobile mechanic. His name is McFarland, Jimmy, Alice, or Chris. Okay, so let's see what they're gonna talk about. Let me ask you this while you're watching this. Would you be interested in me creating videos showing you how to hire virtual assistants to make cold calls for you? Now, this has been something that I've been talking with my friend Daniel. He also has a YouTube channel, Dan, the Marketing Man. And he's been hiring virtual assistants to book his appointments for him. If you will be interested in seeing me set that up or working with Daniel to show you how to set that up, leave a comment below because I make these videos based off the comment feedback that I've received, right? So if that's something you want to see, if you don't want to pick up the phone, but you want to hire people for about $5, $6 an hour to call for you, let me know in the comment if you want to see that. And I'll see if I can get Daniel on to make this happen. If not, I'll create the video regardless. But let me know. I just saw one put out there. 7057. Okay, so. Hey Jimmy, how you doing today?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. My name's Bernard. I came across your ad on Craigslist. I had a real quick question for you.
Sure.
Yeah, Jimmy, I want to know, are you interested in an extra 5 to 10 jobs per week for your business?
Right now, no, we're slammed. I need like 3 or 4 mechanics.
You need 3 or 4 more mechanics? Let me ask you this, Jimmy. What are you doing besides Craigslist to attract customers right now?
We do a lot of networking, Facebook, social media.
Oh, so you're already running Facebook ads. Are you, what kind of results are you seeing? Are you seeing a good return on investment?
Big time.
Big time, right. So here's what I do, Jimmy, cut to the chase. I actually run Facebook ads myself, and I wanted to offer you my services to see if I can match what you're already getting, if not provide better results for you. Would you be interested in that?
Thank you.
Jimmy?
No, thank you.
Oh, sorry, phone broke up. All right, Jimmy, fair enough.
Thank you. All right. Bye.
All right, boom. So that was a no. I could have ended with a few more rebuttals, but he already had someone run his Facebook ad. So, like I said, I can match what he's doing. I could have ended with a rebuttal. Well, there's no such thing as too much money, right? We all want to make money, but he said that he would need to hire 3 to 4 more mechanics. So, I mean, that's cool, right? That's the name of the game. So I could have hit him with more rebuttals, but like I said, he already good with what he got. I'm not going to fight for someone who's not interested in what I had to offer them. So we'll keep that moving. On to the next. Someone actually has digital marketing services. I actually want to work with them because if they can run Google Ads, I'm looking for someone who can run Google Ads, by the way. If any of you run Google Ads and you would like to partner up, feel free to reach out to me. Yeah, I'm not going to do that because I got to submit the Craigslist listing. My phone's about to die. All right, so they offer gutter cleaning. So I don't have any one of my clients who's doing that right now. So, I mean, why not? My phone's about to die, so I'll try and... Oops. Hold on. Why is it ringing up as international? Okay, 503. I'm not going to put their number out here. What's happening? Okay, my phone's acting really weird. We're going to skip that one. We're going to skip the gutter cleaning because it's making my phone act weird. Oh, someone who does tile work. Yeah, I'd love to work with someone who do that. Okay, let's see what they have to offer. 60 919 768. Okay. Wow, now I got kicked off the internet. I'm gonna go fix the internet. I'll be right back.